How to use Grok Imagine. Want to generate stunning visuals with Grok Imagine? Let's explore how to use this AI tool step by step. So for step 1, sign in. Access Grok Imagine through grok.com or the Grok app. So head over to the Imagine tab once you have signed into your Grok account, and then in here you can go ahead and enter your command into this section. Now, if you have an inspiration for your image or video, what you can do is to upload that inspiration image in here and then type in here the prompt that you want to use. So, for example, I want to generate a female holding a cup. I'll simply enter it in here and then hit on enter. And then Grok will then start generating the image for you on Grok Imagine. So, choose a style. Grok Imagine lets you pick from realistic, cinematic, anime, abstract, or faceless visuals. Generate the image, and once ready, you can download it locally or share directly inside X. Grok Imagine makes AI art simple. Sign in, enter a detailed prompt, choose a style, generate, and share.